Welcome back to Automotive Widgets. Today, we're diving into the best spark plugs for Toyota in 2025. Whether you drive a Corolla, Camry, RAV4, or Yaris, the right spark plug can bring your engine back to life, boosting power, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Stay tuned as we test and review the top 5 spark plugs trusted by Toyota owners worldwide. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up if you love practical car upgrades. Number 5. A premium Iridium spark plugs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly but upgraded option for your Toyota, whether it's a Corolla, Prius, Yaris, 4Runner or Tacoma in the 1.3L 2.7L range, this set from A Premium offers a solid choice. These spark plugs feature a Iridium center electrode coupled with a platinum core, promising longer service life, often cited at 80,000 to 100,000 miles, and improved ignition stability. Users in forums who installed them on a Toyota Yaris IA and other vehicles reported never had any issue after use for around a year. I've used them before with no issue for about a year on a 2017 Toyota Yaris IA 4-sill, Mazda manufactured. On the bench, the product specs show compatibility with Toyota models such as the Corolla, 2009 to 2015, and Yaris, 2016 to 2020, among many other brands. In real-world application, the results are encouraging. Ignition starts are crisp, idle seems smoother, and many owners appreciated the value compared to premium OEM plug prices. While you may not see major horsepower gains, the consistent spark delivery and longevity make it a worthwhile swap, especially on high milers. Number 4. BDFHYK Iridium spark plugs. The BDFHYK 94124 Iridium spark plugs are a budget-friendly Iridium upgrade option specifically compatible with a range of small to mid-sized engines, including the Toyota Yaris, 2016 to 2020, 1.5 LL4, and many Mazda models. These plugs feature a 12mm thread size, an Iridium center electrode, and a preset gap, 1.1mm, aimed at providing improved ignition performance and efficiency. In practical use, they earn praise for their better spark consistency and smoother engine behavior when replacing worn original plugs. One buyer remarked that the engine felt sharper in throttle response after the upgrade. Given the affordable price point, they represent a good value for Toyota owners looking to boost reliability without moving into premium brand territory. On the flip side, some users caution that while fitment is wide, it's still vital to confirm compatibility, especially for Toyota models, since coverage is broader on Mazda vehicles. Also, because the brand is less established in the plug market compared to OEM makers, long-term durability data is slightly thinner. Number 3. NGK Standard Spark Plugs. If you're driving a Toyota Camry, 2.2L or 2.4L, years 1992 to 2011, and looking for a reliable, OE-style spark plug replacement without breaking the bank, the NGK Standard Spark Plugs are a top choice. These plugs offer a straightforward fit-and-forget solution. Users report smooth starts, consistent idle, and no hiccups even after thousands of miles. One reviewer noted, installed them on a 98 Camry, car runs great, no problems. NGK enjoys a strong reputation for quality and dependability, often cited by Toyota enthusiasts as the best non-premium upgrade for older engines. While these are not the exotic Iridium or ruthenium plugs designed for high-performance engines, they are ideal for restoring solid everyday performance, especially on commuter vehicles. Number 2. Ignition Coil and Spark Plug Set of 6. The UF267 set offers an all-in-one ignition overhaul for various V6 Toyota and Lexus applications, e.g., Camry, Highlander, Avalon, RX330, covering model years around 1999 to 2008. It includes 6 ignition coils and matching spark plugs, typically Iridium or high-performance types. Many owners report that installing this kit eliminated persistent misfires and rough idling that plagued higher-mile engines. One commenter noted that after switching out faulty coils and fresh plugs, their 2003 Highlander's engine ran like new and the misfire codes vanished. The installation is more involved compared to simple 4-sill plug changes, especially on V6 engines where access is tighter, but the payoff is solid: improved throttle response, smoother idle, and fewer ignition faults logged. The aftermarket manufacturer claims OE-level fit and performance. On the downside, while the kit addresses both coils and plugs, compatibility must be checked carefully against your exact engine code and year. Number 1. ECCPP Ignition Coils Iridium. The ECCPP UF848 Combo Pack is a complete ignition upgrade designed for modern Toyota engines, including the Camry, 2018 to 2020, R84, 2019 to 2020, and Corolla, 2020. This kit includes 4 ignition coils and 4 high-performance Iridium spark plugs, offering a smooth, responsive drive and enhanced fuel economy. Built with premium-grade materials, the coils ensure strong spark output and reduce misfire rates. The Iridium plugs are engineered for durability, capable of lasting up to 60,000 to 80,000 miles under normal conditions. Installation is simple and fits perfectly without modification, just plug and play for most Toyota 4-cylinder engines. Real-world users praise the ECCPP UF848 for reducing rough idling, boosting fuel efficiency, and restoring lost power. For anyone experiencing sluggish acceleration or ignition coil failure, this kit offers a reliable, cost-effective solution that matches or exceeds OEM performance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best spark plugs for Toyota. You'll find all product links in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices on Amazon. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment sharing which spark plug you trust most in your Toyota. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets, your trusted garage for automotive tips, reviews, and upgrades. Drive safely and stay tuned for our next review.